All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan. It is the SXT model. It's beautiful red with black interior. It's got that two-tone leather with the suede-like inserts. Alloy wheels, roof racks, premium sound system, stereo controls, backup camera. Only 31,000 miles on this vehicle, and best of all, minimum damage around the body. Your front bumper looks pretty good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks nice. Here's your front driver's rim, very nice. I don't see curbing. Check out your tire tread, just over 730 seconds. Let me double check that. I apologize, just under 730 seconds. This door looks good. This sliding door looks good. This rear quarter looks pretty nice. Here's your rear driver's rim, very nice. I don't see curbing. Tire thread, just under 730 seconds, more like at 6. Nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No tears, no rips. Looks good. It is a powered seat. And like I said, it's got that leather-like with that suede insert. Does come with two key fob combos. Boom. And owner's manual. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM, FM, CD player. Honest and all that good stuff. You got your backup camera. Boom. Got your AC controls right down below. All right, steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. And this is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. And your mileage up 31,380. Pretty much completes the tour. Got a couple little power buttons here, moving things around. Here's your rear passenger seat. What that looks like. No holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise in your third row. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Does have rear AC controls and rear running AC. He's got a little power button here. Closes this sliding door. Let's see, I don't know why it's not attached 100%. I know there's a little screw that holds that bumper. It's probably not tightened up there, right, folks? Rear trunk space, and what that looks like, of course, these seats do stow and go like the name says. Got a little power button there. Drops the lift gate, which looks good. Corner looks pretty nice. Here's a rear driver's rim, a rear passenger rim, very nice. I don't see curbing. Tire thread under 730 seconds. This door looks pretty decent. I do see a minor chip there, but that's minor. Other side of the rear passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise in your third row, no holes, no tears, no rips. Has a little button here, slides that door closed. This door looks good. Front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips to that one. Your front fender looks nice. Here's your front passenger rim. Very nice, no curbing. Tire thread on the 730 seconds. Fog lights are working. Headlights are working. Car looks great, folks. Once again, a 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT model with 31,000 miles. Questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.